Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add meals in MyFitnessPal. So once and as always, you will have to do these steps. So if you are on your PC, you go ahead and open a browser like me and go to the URL section and open myfitness.pal.com. If you are using phone like iOS version, you can go to App Store and download it. If you are using Android, you can go to Google Play and download it. After that, this page will not be able to show for you yet. You'll have to create an account first. So, how to create one? It is pretty simple. You have to go to MyFitnessPal, create an account, put your email, password twice, and then you will have to put some information about your body, like height, weight, and your goal and date of birth. After that, they will ask you if you are an active person that moves or like you are a passive person that stay at home or have like a job that requires to stay still, doesn't move. So after that, what you're gonna do is this page is gonna be open for you. Now, how you can actually add meals? You can click here on add food or here on food. So you can choose whatever you like or whatever you have. So let's click on food for example, and here you will find my meals. You can actually add meals or create one by going to food diary. So if you go to food diary, you can actually add meal, for example, for dinner. So add food, and here, let's say, for example, you have eaten tacos, for example, or taco. So steak tacos or something like that. So we can add something like that around this and add food to diary. And here it is added to your meals. And you can see the calories, carbs, fat, protein, sodium, and sugar that you have been consuming in this meal. Here is the graph that gives you more informations. And if you have drinking any cup of water, you can see it here. So if we drink 4 cups of water, you can see it. And you can click here, add, and yeah, you can see all the information. For example, you can even see the calories remaining for you in that day and so go on. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.